Hello everyone, very quick update on the F1. So I've reassembled it, put the various heat sinks back on with thermal paste and other bits and pieces. It's been on for about 20 minutes now and it's very chilled, no problems at all. Just currently rewinding a cassette with some wildlife videos on it. Another neat feature of the F1, which I'd completely forgotten about until just now, is if I do that, that is actually a real-time display counter. So if I just do go to 0, oh crap, no, go to 0 actually fast forwards, I forgot about that. That was a nice little feature of this particular deck. If I do reset, there we go. Make sure tracking is on the spot. It's currently connected via composite. Does need a bit of a cosmetic clean, which I'll do off camera. But if I hit play, it starts playing, and beginning of the tape is never perfect, especially with any cassette that's sort of used and abused, but it is working and working well. We also have the nifty trick features, which, because this deck is direct drive, so direct drive take up, direct drive supply, direct drive capstan, obviously direct drive head, you get really quick switching between various deck feat functions. So that's obviously pause, but then I can go into slow-mo, both forward and back. I can also do reverse play, forward play. If I unpause it, ×2 playback, which isn't perfect, but it's only a 2-head deck, and obviously standard play, and shuttle search, instantaneous. It's, and in my view, it still is a fantastic deck, and really pleased to have got it working. So we've been running for how many minutes? 53 minutes. The power supply section, you can feel a little bit of heat on this side coming off the heatsink, but it's hardly that warm at all, to be honest. The rest of it appears pretty cool. This unit doesn't generally generate much heat, to be honest with you, so that's pretty cool. Picture still looking good. It's lost, as we're further into the tape, it has lost quite a bit of that noise, so hopefully now pause is looking better. And let's try, just can almost get slow-mo's working nicely. Also in reverse as well. Reverse play, then step forward. Let's do unpause. Let's try ×2. See if the tracking dials out some of that noise. Yes, it does. So that's just dialed out a bit of the. There we go. So you can use the tracking control to dial out some of the noise in ×2 mode, which is handy. And back to play. And there we go. It's working rather well. Anyway, if you have found this video series interesting, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you to everybody that's left suggestions in the comments, if you have. That's indeed if anybody has commented. Anyway, once again, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all of that stuff, and I will see you again soon. Take care.